website julieplanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm going to share our cinnamon ornament recipe with you. This is a really fun activity during the holidays to do with kids. It's a great way to decorate, a natural way to decorate your Christmas tree. You can also use them as beautiful gift tags and even do little thumbprints for your little ones. Made of just 2 ingredients, which is one of the many reasons that this recipe rocks. So you can do this in a mixing bowl, or you can use a stand mixer. Either way, by hand or with a mixer, it works great. It's just a little bit of a thicker dough, which is why I'm opting for the mixer. So we're gonna go ahead and get all this applesauce in there. We need every bit of it for the moisture. Then we're going to gradually add the cinnamon in. Now these ornaments are going to fill your home with the most beautiful aroma. You'll see that it's coming together to a dough consistency. Okay, so now it's appearing to be a little bit crumbly. So you can just add a little more applesauce if that's the case on yours. This recipe does take a little bit of tweaking each time to make sure it really has the right consistency. So I'm gonna add just a touch more applesauce and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna add just a little touch and another little touch. And I'm just gonna kind of touch and press the dough. And when I feel the dough, it's not dry to the touch. So I know that I can get a nice moldable dough ball out of it, which means that I can roll it out and cut it into sugar cookies. So I think that's just about perfect. These are going to bake for quite a bit longer than your typical cookies. They're very similar to my salto ornaments, which I'll link to below, but these are going to bake for about 2.5 hours. So now I'm going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. These ornaments bake long and slow to really get all the moisture out of them so that they're nice and crisp and ready to hang. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to make a dough ball with your hands, press it into like a little disc onto some parchment paper or plastic wrap. And you're going to cover it with another piece of parchment paper or plastic wrap, and you're going to roll it until about 1/4 to 1/3 inch thick. And now we're ready to create our cutouts. Now we're going to go ahead and use our cutout shapes. I've got some stars, gingerbread girl, gingerbread man, upside down, stockings. Just whatever you do, keep in mind you're going to want to leave enough room for a hole to make it into an ornament or a gift tag. I'm going to do these little gingerbread men. They are so darling and really the perfect color for cinnamon ornaments. And then we'll just peel away the excess dough, roll it out again, and start over. If you could just smell my kitchen right now, it's absolutely amazing. The girls should be home from school any minute now, and they're gonna be so excited to join in on the fun. Now ideally, I would have a smaller straw, but I'm gonna use what I have on hand today, and I'll go ahead and poke holes so that we can add ribbon later. And now we're gonna tear the excess dough from the side, and we'll make more ornaments with that. So now we're going to let these bake for 2.5 hours, or if you prefer, you can allow them to dry at room temperature on a baking rack for about 2 days or until they're completely dry and crisp. And then you're gonna add a ribbon to tie them, or baker's twine is always really charming this time of year. Okay, now that my home is filled with the most amazing aroma, we're gonna go ahead and remove them from the oven just in time for the girls to thread them with their ribbons. These ornaments are so incredibly easy and such a fun family activity. In fact, we'll likely make even more this weekend. Don't forget to click subscribe for more easy decorating ideas, projects with your kiddos, recipes, and more. I'll also link in the description below to my salt dough ornaments and my colored salt dough ornaments. I love the holidays and hope that you enjoy the simpler side of life and decorating with your family as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.